Oui, All right, guys. It's good to be back on the stream. I miss you guys this week. It's good to be back on the stream, guys. So let's go over to our chat quickly. No time. Let's just go back to the chat. Let's break down what we have today, and let's see how we can try and make some money off the chat today. So that's basically the plan. That's the goal, to make some money. But if you don't see any trade, then that's still fine by us. But as long as you follow our plan, follow everything that requires the market to do, then we're going to be fine with that. That's all. Like, as long as you follow our plan, so that's all. At the end of the day, we need to just follow our plan. So that's it. So let's check what's going on. Let's check what's going on. So I have my FOREX factory here, which is it's not so important right now because there's still the US government is still shut down. So let's go back to our chart. I'm looking at gold. I'm currently looking at gold. I'm kind of looking at gold because it's playing out something I like. So I actually want the candle to close, the 15 minutes candle to close. Then I'll look to jump into the trade, but hopefully it doesn't push too high that I won't be able to. Okay, it's already pushing, so I don't think I'll be able to get into the trade no more. It's already pushing. This is already 40 people already. This how gold has been moving crazy. So I was considering entering this trade, but seems like it's already moving. So I have 3 more minutes. Hopefully price can retrace and we get an entry. But let me just break it down quickly for us so we can just do something. Let me quickly break it down. So let's go back to daily time frame. Let's start from the daily time frame and work our way to the current candle. So let's take off everything from here. So yesterday again, gold slightly tapped a new all-time high. Like it slightly tapped it, just slightly tapped it, and it came down. So you can see that this is like maybe a retracement for price to actually continue pushing upward and create new highs. You can see how the whole candle structure is. So let's drop down to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what the 4 hours is doing. So the 4 hours is printing. We have a double top formation here that price has given us, and you can see that price is rejecting this level and it's kind of trying to push to the downside. So that's what I can see right now. So what can we do right now? Well, we jump down to the 1 hour and then look for a support level that price can create. Now we have a support level on the 1 hour here. We also have a level here too on the 1 hour. So this is where price broke below and pushed down this morning. So if I jump down to my 30 minutes time frame, what can I see? I can see a formation here. Price is already breaking and pushing above. So that's why I looked at the 15 minutes and I saw a 15 minutes resistance here, so which I was interested in. So the only problem now is that this candle is deciding to push bullish without slowing down. So we will likely, because of the way the candle is, the volume is big. I will advise you to reduce your lot size, but we will likely get an entry here. But I also have a problem is that price is actually approaching this level of support where it broke below and fell. But since the overall bias is bullish, you can see what we can do around here. So if we don't get any entry around here, the next entry should be above this level for bullish continuation. So I just need this coin count to slow down with its pace because it's pushing in a way I don't like. So I need to just slow down so I can see how we can get an entry on this. So that's just it. If now it's going, like the count is actually going. It's already moved like 50 people from here. And I was looking at entering this trade. That was the thing. I was actually looking at entering this trade. But it's fine. So it's fine. It's actually fine. So we'll just wait. So for buys, I don't think I want to get into any buys now. I don't think I want to wait. Let's just wait. Let's just wait for London section. Not that it even matters these days, because if Go want to drive, it just drives on its own. Like it doesn't need any section to drive no more. Gold has been crazy. Like anybody can make money. Like if you are new in trading now, you can make money from trading overnight. As long as you just catch gold at the exact time that you meant to catch it and you make money. So this trade has already left us. I actually expected this. I wanted to do an impulsive entry on this particular pair, but this is what it is. You see, even 5 minutes even close bullish above. I will have paid attention to the 5 minutes, and I probably would have gotten a buy above here, and we have used the 5 minute stop for like 30 p. So in positions like this, you you can use the 5 minutes because the higher time frame is very volatile. It gives you a lot of pip counts, so you can actually use the lower time frame to execute your trade and look for entries. But it's still fine. It's still fine. Let's wait. Hopefully, what can happen now is hopefully this candle close bearish. You can get this candle closing bearish. It's going to be good for us to look for positions. But if you want to continue pushing up, then that's fine. That's actually fine. But let us wait and see how this candle closes. So the closure of that candle is going to tell us a lot. It's going to tell us a lot. So let's wait, guys. Waiting, guys. I'm waiting, guys. Let's see. Let's see. So I want this candle to close bearish. So if I close bearish, it will be good for me to actually look for positions to continue. But if it's start pushing upwards and just keep going to the upside, then that's fine. But for now, might even likely get a sell here. But the overall trend is still bullish. But price is already creating lows and highs. So let's see. Bro. Seems like the price is moving up, man. It's still moving up. It's still moving up. So let's see. Let's keep seeing. So just keep observing here. Just keep observing. Let's keep observing, guys. Let's keep observing. I can't do much. I actually can't do much here. You guys. Although this would have been a good buy. If we have entered off the flip, it would have been a good buy. Stop loss would have been below this candle. That's 36 pip. And we have been up 50 pip right now. It would have actually been a very, very good buy. But I was scared about this particular level. I didn't want to find out we enter a trade and price to start rejecting of that level. So that was the only reason why I didn't want to jump into this trade. Do you understand? So that's why I was waiting for that bullish bearish candle first, and then trying to create a bearish candle first before I look to continue the buyers. So that was the idea about it. You get, that was just the idea. But let's wait. Let's see what price does. Let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Waiting, guys. So you can see that at this level now, price is rejecting this level here. There's a level here. So price is actually rejecting that level. So let's see. We're waiting, guys. Let's see what happened here. We're waiting. Now I'm considering, since this is the last minutes before the London section, I'm considering this particular part of the market, this particular part right now. This is actually a level that price can push up from, and it's not bad. I'm actually considering this part now because this is a legit resistance level here. There was no resistance, price just moved up, but now this is an actual resistance level here. So I'm actually considering it at this point right now. So let's see, let's wait and see. We have about 5 more minutes to the end of this candle. Let's see how this candle close. I'm actually very chill today, guys. I'm actually very chilled. I'm not looking to rush into anything, not looking to do anything. I did some morning breathing, some morning exercise, which I think you guys should start doing. I didn't know that I did some morning exercise actually, and it's actually doing some things in my body. So I feel like you guys should start doing some morning exercise as well. Like, not really exercise. Morning breathing, like control your breath in the morning. Take a lot of deep breathing and breathe out. Talk about your morning. Talk about how you want the day to go. So I feel like that would be good. That would be good for everyone. So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. So that is, guys. We're waiting. We have about 2 more minutes. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm looking for, what I want price to do. This is exactly what I want price to do. This is exactly what I want price to do. So I want price to close like this. The way it's closing right now, I need it to close like this. Then I need the next candle, since it's London open, to jet down a bit. Then once you see the flip of the candle, then we can look to place some buys above for price to continue pushing upward. So this is something I'm considering. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for price to do. So we wait and let's see how price goes. That's only if you get the break above. If you don't get the break above, then there's no entry for us. But now there's no entry. So guys, we're waiting. Few more seconds, about 10 more seconds to the close of the candle. So stay active, guys. Stay active, guys. Okay, the candle has closed. So what we need now is that rejection. We need to see price rejecting. We need to see some bearish rejection from this particular pair. Then let's see some rejection. So once we get the rejection, once we get the flip of the candle, I like the rejection our price is doing. So let me start looking to call out the trades, like putting stuff in place to call out the trade. So if I get, once we get everything we need, let's see. Let's see. Let's look at it from the 30 minutes perspective. Look at it from the 1 hour. Then we just have a level. We have a level just here. This might be a problem. This might be a problem. Look at it from 4 hours. Okay, the 4 hours feel bullish. So the 4 hour flip bullish again. That would be the move. It's pushing down, so I don't think it wants to go up. I can't have a 60 pip stop loss. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. This is actually a problem here. We have a problem here on the 50 minutes, and this is about 20 people. Okay, I can't enter this trade, guys. I can't enter this trade. So let's wait. Let's wait, guys. So this could actually be the retracement because this is like that R close and this is London section. So this should be like price doing some deep retracement to push. So the only thing I can actually do if this candle actually want to push upward for me to reduce my risks. Do you understand? But the problem here is that this is the problem. I can't enter based on this. It's just right at the resistance level, a hourly resistance. So let's mark this up again. So I will not consider entering anything from here. So let us do a fresh analysis. So I'm looking at this as my high. This candle has no top wick and it has broken below the 15 minutes low. So this is my highs here, and this is the place candle broke below before. So is it like it seems like you actually going to get a sell? So let me drop this as my low. So this is what I'm just working with. So this is just my range. Let me consider this big 300 pip range. This big 300 pip range. This big 300 pip move my range. So let's see. So just wait. I even doubt that we might get any entry at this point. I doubt. So I wanted this to happen, but price just moved. If you calculate it, you see that it moved over 100 pip. Yeah, 100 people. You can easily catch 100 people these days. Like 100 people on gold. Like it's like nothing. 100 people now is like nothing. Once I was chasing 20 people, so you be like we adjust to. And you can easily catch 50. No, okay, let not do 100, but you can easily catch a 50 people move on gold. Like you can easily, without stress, see 50 people move on gold. So that I can see for now. So let's see. Let's see. We're observing the pair. So let's see what's going on here. Nothing's going on for now, but we're just observing the charts. So everything, guys. Waiting, guys. So looking like the candle is trying to reject, which is fine. What we can do here is that if the 15 minutes close week bear above this level, we might likely see consider it, but I hardly doubt that. But the problem here I have with this candle is like it has no top week. That's my only. Oh yeah. I don't go entering any trade that I'm not sure of. And for sales too, it's looking like it's good too for sales. Like it's giving me two buyers at the same time. It's giving me fake out from above this level and even coming back down to inside this range. That's what I'm seeing here as well. You get, and it has broken below this low and it's doing like engulfing candle. You have about 8 more minutes to the end of this candle. So if this can hold on its piece and just hold on around here, and the next candle can, I know that nothing I know that these days gold don't care about top or bottom week, and the next candle can do a proper rejection and flip and break this low here. We can look to place a sell stop there for price to continue to the downside. So this is something that I can also consider. But the only problem here is that this particular candle has no top week, and price is actually doing like it's creating a fake out. It's like a fake out structure. But let's wait on this. Let's see. We have about 8 more minutes. This one candle can just decide to pop down completely. That's how crazy good can be. So there's nothing we can actually do. But wait. See what I'm talking about? See exactly what I'm talking about. I said this one candle can actually just decide to pop down, and that is exactly what gold is doing now. Like it's just the one candle is just popping down. You can see it's like I said. We can also. I said this like earlier today that we can also pay attention to the 5 minutes because the 5 minutes can do exactly what you're looking for. You can looking at your higher time frame and you just be seeing price move. I'm wondering like what's going on. But if you jump down to the lower time frame, based on the way the volume is currently on gold, I feel like you can catch your moves on the 5 minutes. Look for a 5 minute clear setup, clear trades. Then I feel like you can actually catch your moves on the 5 minutes. Like let me show you guys some quick example on the 5 minutes. Let me show you guys some quick example on the 5 minutes I'm talking about. I can easily catch your 5 minute moves. So this is 5 minutes. You can see 5 minutes after breaking above this level. You can see the structure here that 5 minutes closed above this 5 minutes level. You can see it. You can see the retest. You place a buy stop above here. You can see put your stop loss below the 5 minutes. You can see easily go at what 60 pip out of this, even close to 70 pip. You can see it. So I feel like the 5 minutes will does its own thing. Does its own thing. Correct. Now you can see even this one, the 5 minutes. 5 minutes, yeah, this 5 minute broke above this level. You can see the retest here. You can see its price move what 80 people on 90 people on the 5 minute count. You can see you put your stop loss like 20 people, maybe 30. You can see it's easily got 90 people out of this trade. You can see how crazy this. You can see what I'm talking about. Like the 5 minutes is doing the moves now. So I've been considering it for a while, but I don't want us to get used to it because eventually the price is going to go back to its normal way of like it's going to settle down. Settle down. You understand? So I've been taking note of it, but I actually don't want us to get used to it. So that's just the only thing. So I don't want us going away from our plan, the overall plan that we use. You understand? But I've been actually observing the whole candle structure movement and all. I've been taking note of it. So let's wait for the 30 minutes scan. Okay, 15 minutes. It's kind of slow. I don't know why. It's kind of slow. Anyways, let's wait for the 5 minute candle to close. Let's wait for the 15 minutes candle to close. Then we know what we're gonna do. But for now, that's it. Please, if you're just in the stream, please do give us a like, guys. Give us a like. Give the stream a like, guys. Give the stream a like, guys. Please give us a like. Coaching. Obviously, I don't want to be a part of this scandal because price has moved 120p. So what am I looking for? What am I trying to pursue when price has already moved 120p? You understand? So I don't think I want to be a partaker of this move. I don't think I want to be. Anyways, guys, I'll wait 15 more minutes. Like when it's 8:30. If I don't get anything, like if price don't close anyway that interests me, then I'll look to close the position. I look to close the position. Seems like price just came up to retest this level and pushing down. That's what I can see here. But now the problem here is that the candle has moved way too down. That's the problem. Well, what can happen here is too is that this could also be, this is double top, double bottom, price push, create high, create low. Price can actually come back down. Let's see if the 15 minutes, this new 15 minutes now, let's see if we to push down first and try to feel bullish. You get. Every time I buy this trade, you just like the market, like the structure is not the best. Price is not giving us the best possible structure to trade off. You guys, price is not giving us the best possible structure to trade off at all. So, I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it. Now the same reason why I'm not entering this particular one, I get at this one. That's the same reason why it's here as well, because we have a level just right at that entry, like just right there. So I can't go around jumping into any trade carelessly. You need to be precise, you need to be exact. I'm waiting, guys.